Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's time to make some more room in the garden because I got more peppers I need to bring out of the lab. So I decided it's time to get these carrots out of the ground. Now I'll start off by saying I don't expect a whole lot. Most of them are probably going to be pretty tiny like that guy. But I have found a few decent sized ones in here while I was, well, call it thinning. And even that size is good eating, so whatever I get out of here I'm going to be happy with, unless they're all like that. So we'll see what we got in here, and that'll give me room to bring quite a few more peppers out of the lab. You know, you pay extra for these tiny baby carrots if you go get them at the grocery store. That's sure not much. But we might have a few surprises in here. More purslane. Now this is the first time I've tried to really grow carrots, and it didn't work out as well as I had hoped. I seeded this bed once and hardly anything came up. Those that did germinate pretty much disappeared after I took the boards off of them. So I reseeded them, and I got quite a few out of it. Like I said, I've been thinning them, not good enough, but making an effort at it anyway. And I've been eating carrots for the last month or so. And even these tiny ones taste pretty good. So we'll just go down through here and see what we can find. That's getting better. Let's go down here where the tiny ones are at again. Well, as expected, they're pretty tiny. There are a bunch of them and a few surprises. Now, how should I do this? Does that make it look a little exaggerated? Well, irregardless of the fun and games, I can honestly say this is my best carrot harvest yet, mainly because it's my first carrot harvest yet. Next year maybe I'll try a little bit better, do a little bit better, and that's the name of the game, just keep on improving. Meanwhile, I get to eat these guys. So I'll see you next time.